The word qalqala means to shake or vibrate. Okay, we should take care not to alter the way we read any letters before or after the qalqala letters, unless a tajweed rule needs to be applied. All right. So qalqala means to bounce or vibrate the letter from its place. Okay. So the 5 letters of qalqala are qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. These are the 5 letters of qalqala. When you have sukun on them, or if you stop on these letters, you do the qalqala. Okay. You do qalqala when you stop on them. That is called qalqala. Okay. How many letters are there in qalqala? 5 letters of qalqala. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal. Let's practice here. Aqwa. You can see here. Let me circle this one. So this is aqwa. Aqwa. You can see I'm bouncing on the letter qaf. Aqwa. Okay. This is ato. Ato. I'm not going to say at. At, no, it is ato. Ato. Okay, this it has to be a bounce or vibrate. And then you have ab. Ab, because ba is a qalqala letter. And next is aj and ad. Ad. So you are going to bounce or move the letter from its place. And that is called qalqala. Okay? That's called qalqala. Qalqala words example. The first one is tujzauna. Tujzauna. You can see I'm bouncing on the letter jim. Tujzauna. And then next is uqsimu. This is uqsimu. Uqsimu. And then you have batusha. And falaqo. So remember, whenever you have qalqala, make sure that you bounce it. Whenever you have the letter qaf, ta, ba, jim, and dal, and when you have sukoon on them, make sure that you do qalqala on it. Okay? Now qalqala words here, more words are here. Absir. Absir. Okay, ba is a qalqala letter. Then you have dhahabna. ذهبنا يدعونني يدعونني. Okay, this is qalqala. And you have wala ajru. Wala ajru. So I'm bouncing on the letter jim. Wala ajru. Okay. Now I will ask you some questions. Let me unmute you guys. Please make sure that you stay muted unless I ask you to unmute yourself. Okay. Now this is qalqala or no qalqala. Okay, tell me, Noura, is this qalqala or no qalqala?
No qalqala.
Why, Noura?
Because noon with sukoon is not one of those 5 letters.
Very good. So noon with a sukoon is not one of those 5 letters. So you don't say, you don't do the qalqala here. You say unziru. It is an ikhfa rule. It's not a qalqala, okay? You say unziru. Unziru. Okay? Now next is here. This one. Zen, tell me, is this a qalqala or no qalqala?
Qalqala?
It is qalqala. Okay, you say sidrin. Sidrin. You make a qalqala on the dal because it has sukoon on it. Okay. Next, this one. Zara Nadim, is this qalqala or no qalqala?
No qalqala.
It is no qalqala because the letter ya has a sukoon and ya is a mad letter. It's not a qalqala letter. So you say qadiran. You don't do the qalqala here. Very good, mashallah. And let's go for this one. Zain Alam, say, is this qalqala or no qalqala?
No qalqala.
No qalqala. Why Zain?
Because sin is not one of the letters.
Yes, very good. Sin is not one of those letters. So you don't say yusran. Remember, girls and boys, it's a very common mistake. Yusran. Yusran is wrong. Okay, you don't bounce on the letter sin. You say yusran. Yusran. So there is a difference, right, between yusran and yusran. What is the difference? When I say yusran, I'm not bouncing. Fine, I'm keeping sin in its own place without moving it. Okay, yusran. This is how you pronounce non-qalqala letters. Okay, next, this one. Zoha, is this a qalqala or no qalqala?
No, it's a qalqala.
Why?
Because ta is one of the letters.
Yes, how do you read this, Zuhal?
أطعم.
Yes, very good. You say أطعم. أطعم. You are bouncing on the letter ta. أط. If I don't bounce, I would say أطعم, which is wrong, which is incorrect, right? I have to bounce on the letter ta. It is a heavy letter and it's a qalqala letter. So I say أط. أط. أطعم. أطعم. Okay, this one. Is this qalqala or no qalqala? Maryam? No qalqala. It is not a qalqala letter. You say nastabiqu. 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 You don't bounce on the letter sin. Okay, qalqala, no qalqala. Who would like to answer? Put your hands up. Naira, is this qalqala or no qalqala?
It's qalqala.
It is qalqala. Why it is qalqala?
Because it's one of the 5 letters. Qaf.
Qaf is one of the 5 letters. Qaf is one of the 5 letters and it has a sukoon, so you do the qalqala. That's correct. How do you read this?
Yaqdi.
Yes, yaqdi. Yaqo, yaqo, yaqo. Do the qalqala, do the bouncing. Qalqala means bouncing. Do the bouncing on the letter qaf. Yaqdi. Okay. Now this one, Shadir. Is this a qalqala or no qalqala?
Yes, qalqala,
Why?
because ba is one of the 5 letters.
How do you read this?
Dhahabana.
Very good. Dhahabna. Dhahabna. You do the bouncing on the letter ba. Good job. Now let's see some of the ayats from the Quran where you have qalqala. The first line, ثُمَّ شَقَقْنَا الْأَرْضَ شَقًّا. Where is the qalqala here? Let me quickly circle the qalqalas for you. This is the qalqala here, right? ثُمَّ شَقَقْنَا الْأَرْضَ شَقًّا. Next line. إن ناشئة الليل هي أشد وطئا وأقوم قيلا. 2 qalqalas, right? Ta and your letter qaf. وطئا وأقوم قيلا. Next one. إلا ب. Do the bouncing. إلا ابتغاء وجه ربه الأعلى. 2 qalqalas in this line. Now next one is here. You need to do the qalqala here, right? You should be quick to find the qalqalas in your ayats, okay? هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر. حجر, okay? And then you have qalqala over here and qalqala over here, qaf, and you have one more qalqala here. Dal at the end has 2 kasras, but you still do the qalqala because you are stopping there. Okay. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد. Okay. This is how you do qalqalas. One of the very easy rules in Tajweed. Try and read the ending of these ayats with qalqala. Okay, let's try now. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ. You can see the qalqala is happening here at the end. Okay, at the end here. فَلَقِ. There is no sukoon on the qaf. It is a kasra because I am stopping at the end of the ayah, so I have to do the qalqala. Okay, same applies over here as well. Who would like to read the second line?
والله من ورائهم محيط.
Yes, very good. Now, the next one is a qalqala letter ba, but it has a shadda as well, right? So you will do the strongest level of qalqala. Okay, you will do the strongest level of qalqala. How do we do that? Now listen. تبت يدا أبي لهب وتب. Now I'm doing the shadda and the qalqala together, so it's going to be the strongest level, the highest level of qalqala. Watab, watab. Okay, this is how you will do if a qalqala letter has shadda and you are stopping on it. The next one is qalqala at the end of the ayah over here. Who can read this ayah for me? وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْبُرُوجِ. Okay, you do the qalqala on the jim. And the last one is qalqala on the dal. If you would like to read, please put your hands up on the screen so I can ask you to read. Yeah, Rabia, yes, good girl. Go ahead, last one. 2 qalqalas. No, actually, you have 3 qalqalas over here. 3 qalqalas in this line. Go ahead, Rabia.
لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد.
Okay, but it's not ul insana, it's hamzatul wasl. So you join khalaqnal insana. Khalaqna ul insana. No, it's not dhamma on the hamza, it is hamzatul wasl. So you read like this. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في كبد. Okay, good job. Now let's move on. Let's do some more practice before we go to the Kahoot quiz. The first one is أطعم, right? طاق القلم. طاق القلم. Okay. The next one is أقسم قاف قلقلة. أقسم. The next one is جيم قلقلة. ولا أجر. ولا أجر. And then next one is نو قلقلة. قديرا. قديرا. And we have the next one. Yes, go ahead. Who would like to do this for me? Subhan, go ahead.
أنذر
Say أنذر
أنذر
صدر. Next.
أمري
Yes, and the next one.
بطش
بطش. بطش. طا has a قلقلة in it. Okay, and then we'll see more here. أبصر. 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 Okay, ba has a sukun, so it is a qalqala. Next is yusran. No qalqala, because sin sukun is not a qalqala letter. Okay, so you say yusran. See, yusran. Don't move sin from its place. Yusran. Okay, I hope the qalqala is clear to you. The next one is marhaban. It's not a qalqala. Okay, it is not a qalqala. مرحبا. 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 Next is فلق. فلق قلقلة. Next يقضي. يقضي قلقلة. من no قلقلة. من no قلقلة, because nun sukun is not a قلقلة letter. It's not قلقلة. فهم no قلقلة. And then next one is also no qalqala. Ja'alna. Lam sukun is not a qalqala. So I can't say ja'alana. Ja'alana. Very common mistake. Ja'alana is not correct, because I'm moving lam from its place. I'm doing a bouncing on the letter lam, which is not allowed. It is ja'alna. Ja'alna. Okay. So this is our qalqala. Qalqala means bouncing. Okay, qalqala means bouncing. The next is awhayna. No qalqala. Waw sukun, ya sukun, they are not qalqala, right? And then you have dhahabna. It is a qalqala. Ba sukun is a qalqala. Dhahab, ba. Dhahabna. Okay. So next one is mathwaya. No qalqala. Okay. And then you have here يدعونني قلقلة. دال سكون is a قلقلة. دال سكون is one of the 5 letters. So you say يد. You do the قلقلة here. Okay. Who can read these 4 words for me? Let me check who else is here today. Hania, go ahead. How do you read these 4 words?
لا يحزنني
Ni at the end stretch. لا يحزنني.
لا يحزنني
Is this qalqala or no qalqala?
no قلقلة
Next one.
سولت
Yes. Is it qalqala or no qalqala?
yes قلقلة
Yes. It's not qalqala, Rabia. It's not qalqala. Because ta is not a qalqala letter. It's only qaf, ta, ba, jim and tal, not ta. Ta is different from ta. Correct?
yes
It is no qalqala. Sawalat. Okay? Sawalat.
سولت.
Good try, mashallah. Naira, go ahead with the last two words.
نستبق تجزون
Wait. Say the first one again.
نستبق
What do you have in the qaf?
نستبق
Is this a qalqala or no qalqala?
قاف
Is this word a qalqala or not qalqala? It's not qalqala because qaf does not have a sukoon. Okay, qaf, if it has a fatha, kasra, dhamma, it's not qalqala. The qalqala letters, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal, they must have sukoon on it. Okay, what we have learned in the first page, qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal must have sukoon on it in order to bounce, in order to do the qalqala. Okay, if they have fatha, kasra, dhamma, it's not a qalqala letter. Unless you stop. Yes, unless you stop on it. What is the next word?
تجزون
Is this qalqala or no qalqala?
It's قلقلة.
It is qalqala. Very good. So this is our qalqala practice. I hope